Mustang to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2000 Saleen S281 supercharged speedster. Now this particular car, well-known history on this, two-owner car, actually out of California. Approximately 10 years ago, we traded this in here at Unique from the original owner, and then it was sold locally, and now 10 years later, he traded it back in on actually a different Saleen that we had. So well-known car, well-documented car. There is a box of receipts, plugs being changed, anything service-wise, paperwork on the car, the window sticker, actually the build sheet of the car itself. You can see that in the still pictures. I'm going to tell you where to check out the still pictures in just a bit. So we know this car well taken care of car. It's number 138, so Saleen serialization number 138 on this one. I believe it's about one of 435 convertibles that were made in 2000. All right, those still pictures. So if you want to look through, see some of the things I'm talking about, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood, 4.6 liter supercharged V8. A couple things done to that are definitely upgrades on it. Mo Saleen idler pulley has been put on this, if you're familiar with Saleens. Also has a new aluminum belt tensioner, nice firm belt, and I believe it was a gator back that was put on, because I know Mo Saleen, they recommend the gator back. You don't get the belt slippage, a lot more responsive of a car. As you can see, correct Saleen chrome wheels. Miles on this car, a little over 64,000 miles. Paint shows well. There's a few little spots that have been touched up. Again, you can tell this is a well taken care of car. Perfectly matched paint for the touch-up. It's actually really tough to see where that's been done. So yes, the car does look as good in person as it does in the pictures. Charcoal leather bucket seats. There's a 5-speed manual transmission paired up with that supercharged V8 underneath the hood. Twin gauge pod on the dash. Style bar, and then of course the speedster cover. And that is the correct Saleen original one that came with the car. It also has the soft one if you wanted to cover up the convertible top and still have all your seats available. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the back seat, top on, top off, convertible top up, convertible top black, in very nice shape. I'm going to show you that here at the end of the video also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Another thing you're going to note on here, the machine gun exhaust tips, the correct ones. Don't always still see those in the cars either. A couple spots where these wings, lots of times, will rub, have been touched up on this one, so there's a little bit of that, but again, not very noticeable, especially with the deck lid closed. Once again, still pictures. Take your time looking through this one. Look at the underside. Very fussy owners are the two people that own this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. You take a look down the driver's side. You can see it's really free of much of any major dings, scratches, anything like that. I did picture in the still pictures there was a couple that have been touched up on the tonneau cover, and I don't even know if I can hardly get those to show up. All right, of course, your monitor amenities that you're going to have on a Mustang GT, the way these started out. So you have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, leather seats. You can see free of rips, tears. Just again, kind of your typical wear that you're going to have with a natural grain leather. How they fold and wrinkle. Would be a power seat on the driver's side. That is working. This particular car, AM, FM, cassette, and CD. Got in between that when they were switching from cassettes to CDs. All right, I have the key sitting on the counter. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me grab the keys. We're going to fire this up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay, and then we'll check out the convertible top at the end of the video. All right, have the keys. Something else I want to note, there is 3 key fobs and 3 keys for this car, just so you know. working. It is the Mach 460. There's your miles, 64,528. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just that seat belt indicator since I don't have it on. Of course, temp gauge for the intercooler and then boost pressure. And you can see top of the dash, everything good shape there also. All right. Let you hear that nice throaty exhaust on these. And this one quite responsive with that belt setup. Basically an upgrade. Listen to that. Sounding good. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm gonna pop this hood. Let's check out that engine bay. All right, check out the hood insulator, hood liner. You can tell it has not been driven in inclement weather. There it is, 4.6 liter, supercharged V8. Of course, the Saleen cowl tag. It's gonna have the number, the date that it was built. I believe part of the VIN on there too. You'll see a close up in the still pictures. Again, nice, tidy engine bay. There you can see that aluminum tensioner that I was talking about. The Saleen setup over here, idler pulley. Nice, clean engine bay. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. You can see no sockets on the bolts up front. Same here. If you call in, ask a sales consultant if you want to see that Carfax, not a problem. Again, two-owner out of California. We know the history well. Look at the still pictures. You're going to see that boxer of seats with this car too. All right, I'm going to pause this. We're going to run that convertible top up and finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up. So black vinyl power top. All in working condition and also very good condition. Free of rips, tears, holes. Nice fit above the side glass. Rear glass window with defrost. Again, what you'd expect on a well taken care of car. Nice summertime cruiser, 2000 Saleen S281 supercharged speedster. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.